like I said, what we are going to be learning this evening is going to be powerful, and I encourage you to just find time to make yourself relax and get your written material in order so that you can actually get the best out of this particular course. If you are seeing me for the very first time, I'm Boluwaji Ojajuni, known as the what? The passionate teacher with a legacy. That is what you can see on your screen right now. I'm Boluwaji Ojajuni, the passionate teacher with a legacy, a classroom teacher by calling and profession in Lagos State, Nigeria. That is what I do. I'm not just an online mugun that is just shouting here and there. I have a profession. But the major reason why I'm creating this course is to enlighten my people. And I channel it most of the time to my teacher because I want to make my teachers be financially free. That is, in order way to do this so that we can actually stick to what the purpose of our teaching job. When we are financially stable, definitely we'll be able to deliver and make the greatest impact in the life of our students. So that is why I always create content about teacher, and I always try to work to enlighten teachers of how they can actually leverage on their knowledge in order to make money on the social media. And based on the fact that I'm talking globally, I extend this also to business owners, professionals in other field area, in which I congratulate you this evening. If you are part of this program, it is a very great privilege, and you are going to be learning a lot this evening, which is the day one of the 3 days free AI Digital Wealth Accelerator course. Thank you for being here. And you can see this is a brief introduction of myself. I'm also a content creator, a blogger, a freelancer, and what? I'm also what a minister of God. That is for you to know that what you are going to be learned here is going to be the sincere reality of how you can leverage on your knowledge and actually make money on the social media. I can bet you, if you are going to be consistent with this 3 days course and you are going to make yourself available to take the actual step in order to embark on the journey to AI digital wealth, you are going to learn amazingly, and I can bet you, you will never regret that you did that, because it's what I've actually personally do and I've engaged myself in over the 10 years. And I can tell you how the social media actually works. But thank God, what I was unable to achieve for the past 10 years, in the revolution of AI, I was able to accomplish them. And this is what I want to show to you. I don't want you to pass through that stages of yet, but within few period of time, within 2-3 weeks, I can bet you, if you engage what I'm going to tell you, you start making money on the social media. So that is, by the way, like I said, I'm Boluwaji Ojajuni, the passionate teacher with what? A legacy. Now, let's dive into the course properly. This now we're going to look at the day one, the awakening. The awakening. What do you mean by the awakening? That is, why is the new gold mine for wealth and what? Freedom. Why is AI the new gold mine for wealth and what? Freedom. What, like what I just said earlier on, what I have undergo for the past 10 years, it was a shocking revelation to me that in the era of this artificial intelligence, I was able to accomplish it without spending that number of years. All what I've been learning, all what I've been trying to do, figure out myself, I was able to what? Maximize it and make a profit. That is what I was learning for long that I was struggling with, how I can actually make it. Artificial intelligence actually make it what? Easy for me. And that is why when you're on the social media today, you must be able to, to know what is called artificial intelligence and how you can actually leverage on it. Because many people that have been making money on the social media for long now, this is what is actually what helping them now. So day one, I will show you why AI is the new gold mine of our time and why you cannot afford to miss this way, because if you are not informed, you will be what? Deformed. Most of those results we are seeing on the social media, many people will not be telling you, but I'm going to be revealing everything to you what I've actually acquired for the past 10 years. And you will be seeing that how you can actually do it. It's something you can do that if you engage in within 3 weeks, I can bet you start making money on the social media. So that is what that is that. That is it to make our time very easier. It compress what will take years and make it very easy within some months and weeks. So that is why it is the next phase. Then the big picture, just like the internet in 2000, many people were still skeptical about it, that this social media of a thing. Many don't actually know how it works. Is the internet we're actually shouting on sorry for that NEPA light that went off. So that is about that. And in 2025, artificial intelligence. Those who embrace it win, and those who ignore it get left behind, in which I don't want you to be left behind. That is why I encourage you to stay to the end of the video. Remember, when people said the internet was a fad, now billion-dollar business were built on it. Let me tell you, if you want to have a job security, engage in salary work. That is job security. That is, after 35 years, you are going to collect pension and you are fine with that. But if you want to create wealth, let me just tell you the truth. Engage in social media. Engage on the internet, because it's a life transforming aspect of making money aside real estate. Because those are the two parts that are actually costing with. And real estate also, you have to leverage on the social media in order to make sales. I'm also into real estate. So that's what I'm telling you. What I'm telling you is that if you want to make big money and you want to be wealthy, don't ever underestimate what we refer to as the social media, because that is where the money is. And now the internet has advanced now to artificial intelligence. I'll be going to be showing you my blog along the line, how I create content on my website and how I actually make money with it without spending a lot of years, without spending a lot of how to generate search engine optimization, how to create content, and how to write my lesson notes in a very quick time. Those that have actually engaged in my courses before, they can see that I deliver an accurate, perfect lesson note. How did I do this? All this will be revealed. So that is that. When people said internet then was a fad, now billion-dollar business, we actually build it on it. AI is exactly the stage for today. That's that. Now, AI is for everyone, not only for expert tech. Money making tools for beginner and pros. AI accelerator salary weight creation. AI accelerated weight creation. What I'm saying here is this. I want you to see now. AI is for everyone. Many people were thinking that AI is for the giant. No, it's a lie. I'm not a tech savvy. I don't even like tech. I don't know how to code. I don't know how to write any JavaScript or whatever. But I've actually leveraged my knowledge by equipping myself with artificial intelligence, and I was able to make money without learning anything like coding. So not for tech expert. You don't need to be tech expert. Ordinary classroom teacher, entrepreneur, roadside mechanic, they can leverage on the social media and they will make money. So money making tools for beginners and pros, that is the right tools. AI, which is artificial intelligence. AI is not just for tech giants. Like I said, you and I can use it to create wealth. Even if you never coded a single line, I can tell you, I don't know how to code. I have not coded a single line throughout my life. Now, the third thing you will be seeing here is the three-word shift of AI. That is, these are the things you're going to be learned in all these AI word accelerator. I will be giving you details. That is automation, less stress. That is, you don't have to stress yourself. When we are talking about automation, it's something that happens automatically. Let me just shock you. Let me just tell you the reality of the matter. Most at times, I will be sleeping. I will just receive an alert and make sales on my website. I make sales from seller.com. And make sales, people are paying for my lesson notes. So that is the good thing about this thing. Automation. That is, it work automatically without you being actually involved. The new stream of income. Like me now, I have 3 sources of income on the social media. I make money from my blog. I make money from Facebook. Instagram, and also LinkedIn, and I still teach online. You can see that I make money from all these platforms on the social media. Multiplication of what? Effort. What you're supposed to be doing for years, you will actually do it within 2 weeks. And I can bet you, if you think about this, AI reduce stress, create opportunities, and multiply your productivity. That is the ultimate word formula. It reduce stress. I don't stress myself to write content again. I don't stress myself to bring up a video with the leveraging of what? Artificial intelligence. So these are the things that you will be seeing, that you'll be learning how you can actually do this in this AI digital world accelerator. So that is what that is that. That is, you will less stress. And the next one you'll be seeing here now is, imagine this life, more free time, more money, more freedom. This actually has been working for me. I have free time. If I want to create 5 article content on my website this evening, within 30 minutes, I will do that. And it will rank on Google. It will rank on Google, and I will make money from it. So that is what that is about that. That is what about that. So waking up and AI has already handled your content, email, or report while you slept. This is not the future. It is happening right now. Excuse me, it is happening right now, and what I've actually been doing is what I've engaged myself with in, and is making things to change. So that is what that is that. That is that. I want you to be able to see the screen very well. I think it's too powerfully okay. So that is what that is that. That is that. Then let's go to the next, and you are going to be seeing tomorrow how to start using what? AI to make money right now. I just give you a brief introduction of what you'll be learning. And by tomorrow at this exactly time again, you are going to be learning how to start making money. How to start making money right now using what? Artificial intelligence. So I don't want the video to be very lengthy, but I was unable to what? To give you what? To introduction to the course. That is, why is it referred to as the what? The gold mine. It make work easier. It make our work very easier and simple. That is the first one. That is the awakening. You must understand that it will reduce stress. And what we think that is very difficult to do, artificial intelligence will help you to do it in a very short time. That is that. Then the big picture, AI in 2025 has actually changed my story. My first $1,000, $100 that I actually make on the social media happen in the era of what? AI. Making dollars, it is very easy for me now. Why? Because I leverage the what? Artificial intelligence. AI is exactly at the stage today. If you are not informed about artificial intelligence, definitely you are going to be what? Missing a lot. It's just a recap. AI is for everyone. You should know that what? It's for everyone. So don't be panicked that you don't know how to code, you don't know how to write JavaScript, you don't know how to do it. It is not necessarily what? For the tech giant. I and you, I don't know how to code. I'm an educator. I did science education. So that is what that is about that. And the word automation, less stress, new stream of income, multiplication of effort. You can see that. And that is what? More free time, more money, more freedom. So that is what that is that. So by tomorrow, we'll be looking at how to start using AI to make money right now. I believe you find value in this video. If you have actually learned something, don't forget to write to me directly from the WhatsApp group and make a comment of what you have actually seen today. If you have actually learned some things that can actually what? Help you, that can make you what? Your mind ready. And don't forget to actually subscribe to this YouTube channel, because a lot of free content will still be dropping after the free 3 days. So I'm Boluwaji Ojadinu, the passionate teacher with legacy. If you have any question based on what you have learned today, don't forget to reach out to me one-on-one via the what? The WhatsApp. And don't forget to what? The same time tomorrow by 8, engage with the what? Day two, how to start using what? AI to make money right now. God bless you till we see by tomorrow. So that is the end for today. God bless you.